Hi to the vlog.
Hi to the vlog.
First 400 of the season. See this, she are dead people. She are dead.
I am.
Alright my people, welcome back to the channel. You know, we reach that time of the track season now where almost every Saturday is a different track meet, and today is the Velocity Fest 12. Whole heap of stars are competing, we see them in the video. But it's supposed to be a good one.
Away they go for this year race in the women's 400 meters. Shericka Jackson going out in the number 6 is already around 52.05 this season. Stacey and Williams tracking well down the backstretch. Now training locally after her wonderful collegiate year, Stacey and Williams. They hit the 200 meters mark, Williams and Jackson. Clayton and Russell trying to stay close as well. Janieve Russell in lead number 4. They are about to make their way into the straightaway. Shericka Jackson and Stacey and Williams right together. Janieve Russell trying to chase down the stretch. Shericka Jackson holds the advantage. Shrugs off the challenge of Stacey and Williams and steps away. Now we watch the clock. Shericka Jackson comes through in 50.92.
I heard that even though you're the fastest woman alive over 200 meters, you hate sprinting. Explain that to me.
I don't think I hate it now. When I just started sprinting, it took a toll on my legs. I couldn't recover. It takes so long to recover. So I think that was one of the things I hated sprinting, but I love it. But maybe because I just started sprinting and my body not used to so much fast turnover. So that was then.
All right, we see you blaze the track on the 100. We see you blaze it on the 200. We see you blaze it on the 4 bills. Can we expect to see you try that 800 one day? Just a little small meet one day?
No. No, never.
So Coach Francis never tested you in training with the 8 bills yet?
Yeah, probably when we're doing like test week 800. That's it, and it has been a long time. If it's a 600 or 500, I'm up for the task, but not the 800.
All right, going into this season, what's the main goal you have in your mind that you want to execute?
For me, I just want to take each race at a time. I want to execute the best 100 and 200 possible, and just to have some fun. My smile, I want to just show my beautiful smile always. So for me, it's just to have some fun. Once I stay healthy, anything is possible.
All right, thank you very much, and all the best for the season. Heard you mentioned something about the injuries. Give me an update on that.
It's coming on really good. I'm just really happy that I came out here to compete and finish injury free. It was playing a little toll on my mind today. Had a little niggle here and there, but I'm just really glad that I came out, finished injury free, and ran 52.7.
This is quite a clash. Lanes 5 and 16 of Clayton and Briana Williams. They make their way off the curve. Williams and Clayton together down the stretch. They come. It's Tina Clayton with the advantage. Briana Williams trying to respond down the home stretch. Tina Clayton clear of Briana Williams. Nanda trying to come through as well. Tina Clayton wins it easily. Nanda finishes in second position, and Briana Williams comes across the line in third. Negative 1.4 meters per second the wind speed.
Come, you have to get up. Hold on for me, what? Go back. She did hold my spikes in.
Remember, like, share, subscribe. I try to grow the channel. It's mission road to 1K subscribers. We want to get that soon, so just make sure it's on a share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
For Shanieka Ricketts, she's on the runway in the women's triple jump. She's asking for your assistance. One of the best in the world, competing in Kingston tonight. Looks like a healthy jump, but it's a red flag for Shanieka Ricketts.
A world silver medalist Shanieka Ricketts. She jumped 6 times and 4 of them with foul jump. But I feel like she competing by herself, it kind of didn't really push her to try and improve as the rounds go by. That's one of the problems with competing locally in those events. You know, say for 100 and 200, you have whole heap of people that compete against you, but in the triple jump, just she alone down there jump by herself, so she not have anybody push her.
I had a few runway issues. First competition of the year, so stuff like that happens. I was just trying to get in the groove. Didn't get the distances that I was hoping for, but this competition was necessary.
Competing all by yourself here, you're the lone competitor. How does that affect you mentally without having the competition there?
It doesn't. I actually train by myself as a triple jumper. I have a teammate that does the long jump, but I feel like I'm internally motivated, and also to have persons in the stands and just persons moving around, that kind of encouraged me to give my best, because I know they're looking on to see what I will do.
The lack of competition locally, does that mean we'll be seeing you more in the international meets than local?
I enjoy competing locally. I believe that it's important to dance at home before you dance abroad. So hopefully we have some more of these competitions so we can get the rust off before we go overseas to compete. But I will definitely be competing locally as well as overseas this year.
It's a boys and girls champs coming up. How much did that help you to shape in the triple jumper that you are today?
It did a lot. That was one of the places where I think I gained the confidence, especially in myself competing. I was introduced to triple jump in about class 3, and that laid the foundation to who I am as an athlete even now.
Finally, I always say that the triple jump takes a toll on your body, the skeletal system. Is that true?
It is true. Right now my back hurts. It's the first full approach for the entire year, so trust me, I'm in shambles.
Which one I performance in stand out the most there?
Rashid McDonald, instantly, like people on Twitter were talking about, you know, him being 30, not expecting that kind of speed in the 200, and he came off the bend ahead in the lead, and nobody else could get past him. Antonio Watson couldn't get past him, so definitely him. It was a shocker to say the least.
Alright, yeah, and apologies for that one, because I never catch that one in video either. So, apologies for that one. But yeah man, Rashid McDonald, I'm the national 400 record holder. Yeah, him step up now the 200, and him run a wicked curve, come round and take it. So that definitely stand out. But Shericka still, like, even though she's not running 400 consistently, she still look like a solid 400. Like I can call on her anytime at a world champs and say, yo, run a 4x4.
In fact, Shericka, we needed to report to the 4x400 meter relay team. We need you, this someone. I believe like we can get a gold medal this time. And
yeah, and Shericka, just look on it this way. And more medals. Say I will get one in the 100, one in the 200, one in the 4x1, and one in the 4x4. You cannot come home with four medals, you alone. One woman with 4 medals for one championship. Just look on it that way.
Yeah. She's on a world leading march. World leading march is crazy, you know. Non-400 meter runner.
Yeah, as a retired 400, you know. Somebody who only do 400 casually, like for leisure. Have some fun and stretch the legs.